So today is the day after Thanksgiving, which officially means that it is Christmas decorating day. Thanksgiving was so much fun. This was actually my first Thanksgiving in 4 years. It was my first Thanksgiving since moving back from Japan, and it was even more special this year because my boyfriend, who's right over here, Bubs. Oh. That was a really delayed response. My boyfriend is visiting from Italy, so this was his very first American Thanksgiving ever. But yeah, I'm just chilling here with little Kona. Hi, sweet boy. Hi, sweet boy. He's looking like a little chunk. So this morning we actually already set up the Christmas tree itself. Very excited to decorate it today, and we'll just decorate the rest of the house and I'll take you through the whole process. It's also Black Friday, so maybe we'll do a little shopping. So my boyfriend's still currently working a little bit, so I'm gonna save decorating the tree until he's done. But in the meantime, we just finished cleaning all of our Christmas dishes, so I'm gonna start stacking those into our shelves. These are the ones that we've been using for years and years every Christmas season, so I have such a strong attachment to them. Okay, so I just brought in some of the storage boxes. We have a lot of these Christmas decorations stored in here, and behind me are some sketchy looking trash bags, but these are Christmas wreaths. These aren't even all of the boxes. I'm gonna have to go back to the garage and get even more. And behind me, you could see our Christmas tree. This is one of those slim, I think they're called like pencil Christmas trees. We used to have a bigger one that took up a lot of space, and since we moved, we had to get one of these, but this is our first time decorating it, so I'm super excited to see how it turns out. I think this year our theme is going to be white, silver, and lilac. So let's see how it turns out. We got some ornaments in here, some poinsettia flowers. Oh my gosh, this is looking so funny, but let's start hanging up the lights on the tree. Okay, yay, we got the lights on the tree, and now I totally almost forgot that we need to put on some Christmas ambiance music. Alright, hey friends, just checking in. So it's been a couple hours of us decorating, so I think we need to take a little break because it is Black Friday and it's around 4 p.m. now. So if we want to do some shopping, I think we have to do it now. And we're just going to continue decorating tomorrow. The tree is looking pretty good. It's almost done, but we're missing the star. I have no idea where it went, so I might try to pick one up today. this will be good enough. This Christmas sock section is out of control. I don't know why I really love this one. And the hedgehog holding Christmas presents. Oh, heck yeah. I'm getting these. Well, hey, howdy ho friends. Welcome to a new day. So it is actually a week later since I first filmed the beginning part of this vlog. That wasn't the plan. I just ended up getting insanely sick. I had to have my parents and my boyfriend help me out for everything. I had a fever of 103. I just felt really miserable. It took a couple days to recover, but thankfully my boyfriend, who is a sweetheart, tended to literally every single need that I had. He's an angel. But what I was most bummed about is that I was too ill to do anything for his last couple of days here, and that just really sucked because we had so many more plans and we just couldn't get to them. So you probably noticed I did my morning routine by myself. So actually yesterday I took my boyfriend to the airport and he is now back in Italy. So the emotions are very raw, very fresh. Yeah, if my eyes are puffy, it's because I pretty much cried the entire day yesterday. That drive back from LAX to home was so bad. So yeah, I'm looking for a nice little distraction today. I thought vlogging would help out. Also, today is December 1st. It's actually the anniversary of me moving back here to California. So today I'm just feeling so reflective. Definitely missing Japan. Whenever I see my boyfriend, we reminisce about Japan together and whatnot. So, but anywho, I'm feeling much better today. And what better way to distract myself than getting into the holiday spirit? I'm gonna pick up where I left off and just finish decorating the house and just doing some fun Christmas activities. So let's get into it. Got all the Santas that we're going to be working with this year out of the box, and we're going to put them up here on the Santa station. So that went by pretty quick, but the Santa corner is done. We have had some of these since I was a little kid. I remember this one being my favorite, actually plays music. And then of course, this little sleeping Santa with the little elf trying to wake him up is probably one of my favorite ones that I've had since a kid. Okay, so the tree and the wreaths are all essentially done. Lastly, we just have to put up this star that I got from Target for only 5 buckaroos. If you look closely, they have these little pearls on them. They're so cute. So we're gonna put this on top of the tree and light her up. Okay guys, here's the grand reveals. Our first Christmas wreath on our little shoe closet door. And then this way we have another Christmas wreath on my dad's office door. And then we pan over to the Christmas tree. Well, hey, howdy ho, friends. So it is actually the next day. All right, so first of all, I cut my hair last night. I couldn't take it anymore. My hair grew out and the ends were just looking raggedy. So yeah, I just cut my hair in the bathroom and I think it actually turned out pretty cute, if I do say so myself. And second of all, it is the most important day of the year. It is Candle Day. So yeah, I'm heading to Candle Day at Bath & Body Works. This is the lowest price of the year on their 3-wick candles, and this year it is only $9.95. I thought the candles were gonna be like $11 this year because of inflation, but yeah, I'm here for a deal. Are you? Good. Okay, we're going. Okay, who wants to see what candles I got? No one? Well, I'm gonna show you anyway. They gave all of us this really sturdy bag because the candles are heavy, but yes, once again, I only got 5. So this first one is spiced apple toddy. I love anything that is apple scented. It's a very yummy, like spicy scent. Next, I got the Tipsy Elf, which I think is a new one, and isn't this pink color so cute? It's a very sweet scent. This one has vanilla, nutmeg, splash of rum. What do I have next? Oh, this one is flannel. This is the one that my boyfriend really liked. It's definitely more of a masculine kind of wintry scent. And I got marshmallow fireside. There's also a little cat sleeping on the chair like Kona does, so a winner. And let's see, lastly, oh yeah, I got cinnamon caramel swirl. I feel like this time I got really sweet kind of scents. Also, the cap of this one is so cute. So yeah, those are all the candles that I got this time around. Each one was $9.95, so the total came out to around $50. All right, kiddos, so I'm back in my PJs and we're about to bake some cookies. So these are my favorite festive holiday cookies. These are the typical Pillsbury sugar cookies. In my autumn vlog, you guys saw that I made the pumpkin ones, but this time I have 2 different kinds. First, I have the Christmas tree sugar cookie and I have this snowman design. So we're gonna go ahead and bake these.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
friends, I think I'm gonna leave the vlog at that today, and I'll definitely be making another like cozy December holiday vlog just because this is my favorite time of the year, and I think we'll be doing more outings in the next one, so stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much again for watching, and until next time, bye-bye. Mama, say bye.
Bye.